Hello everyone and welcome to yet another Discord bot and Rust tutorial. Um, so I have a quick announcement to make. The bot is on GitHub, so all the changes that I make you can view online. And yeah, there wasn't much to say about that. I might also decide to make the Discord server publicly available, so if I decide to do that, I will. Anyway, on to the next thing. The next thing we're going to talk about is events. So, we've already added a couple of events here. We have the message event that triggers every time a message is sent, and we have the ready event, which triggers every time the bot becomes ready. So, but there are a lot more. And if you want to see where they all are, you can just go to the docs for Serenity, search event handler, and I believe it's this one. And these are all the events. So let's look at a few of them. This one is when the bot joins a new guild. I think the most interesting one, though, would be reaction add, dispatched when a new reaction is added to a message. Now, to be honest, I don't actually have much experience with this, so we're just gonna kinda wing it. Kinda like everything else I've done so far. So yeah, let's get into it. So, fn reaction add, and my lovely Rust Analyzer extension added all of that in for me. How nice of them. Okay, so let's see. Now we can just send a message, so let's get rid of this thing here, because we're actually going to use this. So reaction dot, let's see what we get to work with. Let's see, what does reaction have? This is becoming a test of, can you use the documentation? Channel ID, that's what we need, channel ID. Dot say, and then we're also going to be using context, so we'll need that. Context, HTTP. What if we could get the reaction user? Aha, here it is. All right. So, in order to format a message, what you do is format, and then you can use it just like a print line statement. So, reaction dot user. We don't really get user. Okay, that's helpful. User dot, and I believe there's a name. Oh, but first we need to unwrap it because it's a result. And name. Alright. Name. Left a reaction. So now we need to figure out how to post the emoji. Now, if you look here, there's a reaction type emoji. I mean, field. reaction with a Twinmoji. Okay, so it depends on the type. So it's either a custom emoji or a Unicode emoji. So here's what we can do. Or we could just give the name of the reaction. Could we? No, I don't think we could. So reaction type. Okay. How about this? Don't worry about what type of reaction. We'll just work with that. And then if let air y equal that, then print error reacting to a reaction, and we'll add a debug message, and we'll say why that happened. Semicolon, and we get an error because reaction was not imported. So use Serenity. Now if we look here, model channel reaction. Channel reaction. So now we can do cargo run. And still couldn't compile because user expected one parameter. It was cache HTTP. I believe we can just use HTTP. Okay, that seems to have solved. No. Okay, screw it. Normally I would actually figure this out, but I don't want to spend too much time on it. Okay, Ferris is ready. So if we let if ping, I don't even need to test for that because I know it will work. So let me just leave a simple reaction. And that's my user ID, and I left a reaction. And feel free to mess around with the documentation, figure out how to use all of it. But I think I'm gonna stop for today's video. I think you get the idea. I'll see you in the next one.